morning to all of you. Today I am taking the chapter number 3 of class 8 science. Name of that chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. What do you mean by fibers? Fiber, a thin thread of natural or artificial substance, especially which are used to make clothes and ropes, are called as fibers. Fibers, it means ऐसे पतले धागे जो कि प्रकृति में मिलते हैं या आर्टिफिशियली उनको बनाया जाता है और जिनका उपयोग कपड़े बनाने में या रस्सी बनाने में होता है, फाइबर्स कहलाते हैं. नाउ एग्जाम्पल, जूट, सिल्क, rayon, that are the fibers. Now fibers are made up of monomers. Fibers are made up of monomers. Now next question, what do you mean by the monomers? Monomers are the small units which are used to make the polymers that are called as monomers. ऐसे छोटे substance जो कि पॉलीमर बनाने में यूज होते हैं, that are called as monomers. Now what do you mean by the polymers? Polymers are those substances which are made up of monomers, that are called as polymers, or the large molecule which are used to make different compounds, or we can say that polymers are the large molecules which are made up of small molecules that are called as polymers. For example, proteins. Proteins, that are the example of polymer. Proteins is made up of amino acids. It means proteins are polymer, amino acids are monomers. For example, cellulose. It is example of polymer and it is made up of so many glucose units. Next term, that is polymerization. Polymerization is the process by which polymers are formed. In other words, we can say that the process in which monomers get converted into the polymers is called polymerization. It means, for example, formation of proteins from amino acid is called as polymerization. Formation of cellulose from glucose unit, that is called as polymerization. Or ethene molecule converts into polythene, that is the example of polymerization. Means that process, ethene gets converted into the polythene, that is the polymerization. Now subtopic of polymers, that is types of polymers or classification of polymers. First classification, that is on the basis of structure. On the basis of structure, polymers are classified into the three parts. One, that is linear polymer, second, that is branched polymers, and third, that is cross-linked polymers. Linear polymers, it means they are having the linear structures. In the case of branched polymers having the branches, and the cross-linked polymers having the cross-linked structure, or they are having the network. It is also called as network polymer or 3D polymer. Right? On the basis of structures, polymers are classified in the three parts. One is linear polymer, branched polymer, and third, that is cross-linked polymers. Second classification, on the basis of sources. On the basis of sources, polymers are divided into two types. One, that is natural polymers, second, that is synthetic polymers. Natural polymers, those polymers which are obtained by the nature. It means it can be obtained either by plants or animals, that are called as natural polymers. For example, cellulose, protein, this is the example of natural polymers. Synthetic polymers, those polymers which are prepared in the laboratories by the human beings, that are called as synthetic polymers. It is also called as artificial polymers or man-made polymers. Melamine, polythene, PVC, etc. These are the artificial or synthetic polymers. Types of fibers. Fibers or classification of fibers. Fibers are of two types. One, that is natural fiber, and second, that is synthetic fiber. Fibers are of two types. One is natural fiber, or second, that is synthetic fiber. Those fibers which are obtained by the nature, it means they are obtained by the plants or animals, that are called as natural fibers. And synthetic fibers, those fibers which are prepared in the laboratories, that are called as synthetic fibers. For example, jute, it is a natural fiber. Silk, natural fiber. In the case of synthetic fiber, examples that are rayon, which we are using in the clothes, nylon, etc. Okay. Synthetic fibers are also called as artificial fibers or man-made fibers. Topic, that is differences between natural fibers and synthetic fibers. First difference, that is they produced from natural substances, and in the case of synthetic fiber, they are produced from chemical substances. As you know that synthetic fibers are formed in the laboratories by the human beings. Second point, they are expensive, and synthetic fibers or artificial fiber, they are less expensive. Third point, they are not easily washable. Natural fibers are not easily washable. Synthetic fibers are easily washable. Fourth point, they are not wrinkle free, while artificial fibers, they are wrinkle free. Wrinkles, it means salvatane. Okay. Next difference, natural fibers are not so durable and they are affected by moth, means कीड़े लग जाते हैं. अगर थोड़ी सी उसमें नमी रह गई तो वो उसमें कीड़े भी लगने की संभावना है. Synthetic fibers, they are durable and moth resistance. Next, they are not very strong and synthetic fibers are much stronger. Natural fibers, next point, natural fibers absorb the water and it takes a lot of time to dry up, while synthetic fibers do not absorb the water and easily it can be dry. It do not take so much time to dry up. Next, they are difficult to maintain, and in the case of synthetic fiber, they are very easy to maintain because they are wrinkle free. Whenever we wash it easily, after the drying up, you can wear it. But in the case of natural fibers, iron is required. Okay, these are the differences between natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Now summarize that whatever we read in this video. First, that what do you mean by the fibers? After then, fibers are made up of monomers. After then, we read what are monomers, polymers, polymerization, types of polymers, types of fibers, and differences of natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Okay, homework for you. You have to be learned what do you mean by the fibers, its types, definition, and differences between natural and synthetic fibers. And one more question, you have to be identify silk is made up of which proteins. Okay.